In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the camera shutter sound on your iPhone. Many people find the camera shutter sound annoying or disruptive, especially in quiet environments. Fortunately, there is a way to disable this sound and take pictures silently. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. What you want to do next is mute your iPhone. To do that, move this slider to the left, just like this. Now you won't hear anything when you capture a photo on your iPhone. If you don't want to completely mute your iPhone to just take a photo, there is another way. Exit the Settings app and open up the Camera app on your iPhone. And then tap on this button at the top right corner of the screen. It will enable the Live Photo mode. Now, when you take photos in Live Photos mode, it won't have a shutter sound. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.